Let's just go ahead and unbox. We'll continue the unboxing. My phone's back on, so we're gonna continue the unboxing. We'll be on standby for when the code drops, but yeah. Oh. Come on. Bro, connect. See no place to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
And it doesn't show signs of stopping. And I brought me some corn for popping. The lights are turned way down low. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. When we finally said goodnight.
Alright. That is not the code. That is not the code. Anyway, here we go. Go back to the unboxing.
All the way home I'll be warm. Yeah, the fire.
Haribo Gold Bears.
And my dear, we're still goodbye. But as long as you love me so.
Twix? Oh, Santa Twix. They're like some Santas. Some Santas on there. Gold. It's actual gold, no way. Let me check something. All the way home, I'll be warm. There we go. Alright, next. We got M&M's. Can't go wrong with M&M's. I got this. This is one of the things I got for Christmas, is this. So, I've just been wearing it, though. Alright. Lifesaver Gummies Craft and Game Book. So, you can make a gingerbread house out of this box. Oh, this right here. Okay, so, you know, little grandparent gifts, trying to connect to, like, well, they know I have my YouTube channel, so they wanted to do, like, something to kind of connect to the YouTube channel that I have. So they got me this. It's a water bottle that says WaffleTrades on it. And it's got the YouTube logo. So there we go. We got YouTube WaffleTrades bottle. My first unofficial merchandise. Who would buy a waffle tray? Should I auction this off? Auction this off on eBay. No, but it's cool. It's cool. Alright, what else we got? Pencils. Oh gosh. Kit Kats. YouTube Kids logo. Is it actually? I think it is. I think it is, man. M&M's. Peanut M&M's. Yeah, peanut M&M's. Alright. Oh, is that the actual code? It's probably not the code. No, it's not the code. I figured I would give it a test. Cash. Straight cash. I got bands on bands. Whoa. Bands on bands. How many bands do I got? How many bands do I got? Oh my god, I got bands. I got 1, 2, 3. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 M's in my bank account. 9, 10, 11. Woo! Oh yeah. $11. $11. Oh, $20, $20. Oh, I probably shouldn't show the names, but $20 and a dark chocolate Hershey's bar. Oh yeah, oh yeah. We got all the money. Is that real? Okay. Let's go. We got a giant Hershey Kiss. That thing is huge. I mean, it's a pretty big Hershey Kiss. Oh! We got another dollar! A crisp dollar bill! Woo! We rich. These are not real, bro. These are not real. Yeah, they're not even real. Y'all lie. Y'all lie. Yo! We got another one! It doesn't stop! Yo! Rich. Another Kit Kat. Another Kit Kat. I got a 2024 desk calendar. Low key, could be useful for like planning drops and stuff. Low key, could be useful. So, might have to use that. Instead of using an image online, I can just use that. Oh yeah, the best gift. Whatever this thing is, I kind of want to chuck it at the wall and see what happens. Let's chuck it at. I want to see what happens. Chuck it at the wall. Yo, yo, dude, that thing expanded so much. Yo, hey, someone get a screenshot of that when it's just like stretched. Dude, that thing's gotta be so stretched. No, I'm not popping that. I'm not hitting the play button. Dude. Oh, it gets so dirty though. What a great thing. What is this song? How about that? Yo! Feliz Navidad. We got a black shirt. Black shirt. I'm going emo, guys. And we got a black hoodie. I'm going emo. Emo mode activated. Emo mode activated. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año y felicidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año y felicidad. Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Nope. There we go. So, I don't know when we're gonna actually be seeing this, but this Valkyrie. Wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. Jam Fedora to the moon. Yeah, maybe we just do FF and while we wait. Cause we just waiting for this. Yo, lovely, thank you so much for becoming a Waffle member yet again. I appreciate that. Thank you so much. What another great Christmas gift. I appreciate all you guys' Christmas gifts. We had some. I know Sky had that $50 dono. We had a bunch of other like $2 donos. Monkey Boy came in here, gifted a ton of members, so I appreciate all the Christmas gifts that you guys have given. I appreciate it. Alright. Yeah, we can do this.